step by step how you can download and install Fortnite in your laptop just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do, just open your Google homepage like this or any browser you are using and go to the search and search for this website first. Search for Epic Games, okay? Click on the first link over here, so Epic Game Store like this, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. So what you will do next, you need to click over here on download, okay? And you need to download this Epic Game Store app to your laptop, okay? It's really super easy and it's gonna take just few minutes. After you finish, Epic Game Store will be installed in your laptop like this, okay? I already have Epic Game Launcher Store installed in my laptop like this, and what you will do next, you just need to open your Epic Game Store like this, and you should see this bar of the search. Click on the search over here, okay? So just click on the search and search for Fortnite, okay? Let me show you like this. Search for Fortnite over here and click on this app that you want to download. I want to download Fortnite to my laptop, and it's gonna take you to this page again over here, as you can see. So it's really super easy, guys. So let me show you. So all you have to do now